time passes and many men begin to notice signs that once seemed distant, their energy is no longer the same. Muscles lose firmness and the natural vitality they once had starts to fade. What few people know is that this decline may be directly linked to what they eat first thing in the morning. Small mistakes at breakfast affect testosterone production, weaken blood circulation, and accelerate the loss of male vitality. Science has already proven that certain foods can reverse this process C and naturally enhance masculinity. They activate essential hormones, improve blood flow, and help restore strength and endurance. And the most impressive part, results appear within just a few days, with the right choices at the first meal of the day to understand how this works and which combinations truly make a difference. Like this video now, because the information you're about to learn can transform your vitality and bring back that sense of power that many men believe is lost. Take a moment to check if you're already subscribed to the channel and share your opinion in the comments. Type 1 if you approve of the topic, or 0 if you have suggestions to improve the content. Your participation makes all the difference, and if you haven't liked the video, yet do it now to support the channel and ensure more content like this. Many men start their day making a mistake that compromises their energy, muscle strength, and even performance in bed breakfast. The meal that should fuel the body with the right nutrients often becomes a true masculinity. Sabot refined sugars, processed flour, and ultra-processed foods fill the table while the ingredients that truly support virile are left out. This habit, repeated over the years, has a direct impact on testosterone production, blood circulation, and the body's ability to stay strong and resilient. A study published in the Journal of Clinical Endocrinology showed that constant sugar spikes early in the morning can drastically reduce testosterone levels throughout the day. This happens because excess glucose interferes with hormonal regulation and increases insulin resistance, which is directly linked to reduced ferrule. Additionally, foods low in protein and healthy fats leave muscles without the fuel needed for recovery, accelerating muscle loss and causing a constant feeling of fatigue. To make matters worse, excessive consumption of refined carbohydrates can contribute to silent inflammation in the body, damaging blood vessels and compromising blood flow throughout the body. The result, masculinity that wears down day after day. The good news is that this mistake has a solution, and small changes can transform how the body responds to aging. 4 years eggs have been unfairly accused of being a dietary villain, but the truth is that this simple food holds a powerful secret for men who want to regain strength. Energy and vitality, eggs are a true capsule of essential nutrients, combining high-quality protein, healthy fats, and a frequently overlooked component, choline. This substance plays a crucial role in male hormone production, helping maintain balanced testosterone levels and preventing muscle breakdown that occurs over the years. Moreover, the healthy fats found in eggs are fundamental for blood vessel health and proper circulation. This means the body can transport oxygen and nutrients more efficiently, ensuring energy and endurance throughout the day. But the biggest surprise comes from the presence of vitamin D, an essential nutrient for maintaining bone strength and testosterone production. Studies indicate that men with a deficiency in this vitamin tend to have lower levels of this hormone, which directly impacts energy levels and overall well-being. The secret lies in the preparation method. Eggs fried in unhealthy oils lose some of their benefits while boiled, or scrambled eggs cooked with olive oil retain their properties. Small adjustments in the first meal of the day can make a big difference in vitality and quality of life. Constant fatigue, loss of endurance, and even difficulty in muscle recovery may have a simpler explanation than it seems. 2 essential minerals for male energy and vitality are often neglected in daily nutrition: magnesium and potassium. Without them, the body struggles to regulate. Testosterone maintains strong muscles and ensure efficient circulation. Consequence, is a gradual decline in physical performance and energy levels. Magnesium is responsible for over 300 biochemical reactions in the body, including hormone production and blood vessel relaxation without it. Testosterone levels drop and muscle regeneration slows down. Potassium, on the other hand, regulates muscle contraction and fluid balance in the body. When deficient, cramps, fatigue, and even difficulties in staying active throughout the day can arise. Research shows that chronic deficiencies in these minerals can compromise neuromuscular function and overall vitality. The solution lies in a breakfast rich in these nutrients. Bananas are an excellent natural source of potassium, while pumpkin seeds contain large amounts of magnesium. Complement this combination, providing a steady energy. Supply and supporting testosterone production. Small changes in the first meal of the day can make a huge difference in restoring strength and male well-being. Do you want to revitalize your sex life and strengthen your relationship in my digital book? Rediscovering Intimacy, Healthy Sexuality After 60, you will find practical strategies to reignite desire, overcome physical and emotional barriers, and deepen your connection as a couple. Access the link in the first pinned comment and discover how to transform your love life. Blood circulation is one of the most important factors for male energy. Yet few realize that small dysfunctions in this system can compromise vitality over the years. When blood flow is inefficient, the body underperforms, muscles do not receive the necessary nutrients, and even motivation for daily activities decreases. Problem is that this process occurs silently without obvious signs. At first, many only notice when their body no longer responds as it used to. One of the most effective ways to improve circulation is through diet, and 3 natural ingredients make all the difference in this process: water, watermelon, beetroot, and walnuts. Watermelon contains citrine, an amino acid that helps dilate blood vessels, allowing blood to flow more easily. Beetroot, in turn, is one of the best natural sources of nitric oxide, a compound essential for vascular health, and walnuts complete this combination with arginine, a nutrient that boosts nitric oxide production, ensuring even better circulation. Men who introduce these foods into their breakfast report a significant increase in energy, as well as improved muscle recovery and endurance throughout the day. Small dietary adjustments can provide great benefits for circulation, ensuring more energy and a much more satisfying physical performance. As the years go by, the body undergoes natural changes, but some of them are accelerated by poor eating habits. Testosterone, the primary male hormone, starts to decline gradually after the age of 30. However, this drop can be intensified by the frequent consumption of inflammatory foods, which increase insulin resistance, impair nutrient absorption, and contribute to abdominal fat accumulation. This combination further slows down hormone production, compromising muscle strength and daily energy levels. Foods high in trans fats, refined sugars, and industrialized vegetable oils are the biggest culprits in this process. They trigger chronic inflammation, a state in which the body remains constantly on high alert. Consuming energy and H during proper cell function. Problem is that this effect occurs silently, becoming noticeable only when the body is already weaker. Metabolism slows down and energy levels drop. On the other hand, some foods have the opposite effect and act as a natural shield against this decline. Salmon, for example, is one of the best sources of omega-3, an essential fat that reduces inflammation and improves blood fluidity. Avocado provides healthy fats and vitamin E, which are crucial for hormonal balance. Including these foods in your breakfast strengthens the body and helps maintain higher testosterone levels. For longer, the way you start your day has a direct impact on energy levels, strength, and even how your body responds to aging. Breakfast, often treated as just another meal, can make the difference between maintaining vitality or accelerating decline. Poor choices early in the morning result in unstable energy, constant fatigue, and a slower metabolism, while the right ingredients provide the fuel for your body to function at its best among the foods that make a difference. One trio stands out: black coffee, raw honey, and Brazil nuts. Black coffee without sugar is one of the most powerful natural stimulants. It improves blood flow, stimulates the nervous system, and can even enhance fat burning, helping to maintain a balanced weight. But its effect is even more powerful when combined with raw honey, a food rich in antioxidants, and boron, a mineral that supports male hormone production. Brazil nuts, in turn, provide selenium, an essential nutrient for healthy testicular function and testosterone production. Men who incorporate this combination into their first meal of the day report improvements in energy, mental clarity, and muscle recovery. What many don't realize is that small changes in breakfast can accumulate significant benefits over time, helping to keep the body strong and active for years. Choices you make first thing in the morning can determine your energy, strength, and even your virility over time. Small mistakes at breakfast sabotage hormone production, while the right foods help keep testosterone levels high, improve blood circulation, and ensure greater vitality. Simple adjustments can transform not only your energy levels, but also how your body responds to aging. Now tell me, have you ever paid attention to the foods you eat for breakfast and how they affect your energy throughout the day? Share your experience in the comments. This video provided valuable information for you. Like it? Now, your like is essential for more people to discover how to improve their health and vitality. Naturally, here on the channel, you'll find other videos that dive deeper into this topic and offer more strategies to boost your energy and keep your masculinity strong. Watch now and see how small changes can make a big difference. If you haven't subscribed yet, take this opportunity to do so and continue receiving exclusive content. See you in the next video.